Hi for the people that are watching this video right now. I'm showing my hidden talent. So let's get started. So basically, as you can tell, I have my stuff laid out and I think you guys know what I'm about to do. For the people that are wondering what I'm about to do, I'm going to make some pasta. And yes, I know how to cook. No one's helping me here. I'm not watching a YouTube video. It's just me. Yeah, so let's get started. Finally done with everything. I strained the noodles. I mixed it all together. I also put it in a plate, but I don't think it looks that nice. But I'll show you guys. I mean, this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks beautiful to me. I don't know what it looks like for you guys. But this took time and effort, and it really paid off because my dad really loves it. And I also want to say a big thank you to Brianna Gonzalez for giving me the opportunity to actually show my talent. I really was nervous at first, but I think this just paid off. Yeah, so thank you. Bye.